Welcome to Class 10 Insight. This is the most requested video since our students were asking for math concepts. We are here with application of trigonometry. From the top of a 7-meter high building. What is the height of the building? It is 7 meter. This is the building. The picture is very clear. This is the building. It is of 7 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower. Here we have a cable tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. From here to the top of the tower, what is the angle of elevation given? It is 60 degree. That is the given value. Next, the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. The angle of depression from the top of the building is 45 degree. So these are the three parameters these are the three parameters given, that is the height of the building 7 meter, the angle of elevation that is 60 degree and the angle of depression that is 45 degree. We are supposed to find the height of the tower. On observing the diagram, we can make out AB and CD are parallel and the height is also same here. Hence, AB and CD are equal. Hence, the value here is 7 meter. On observing the diagram, AB is equal to CD. They are parallel and equal. Hence, CD will also be 7 meter. In the same way, AD is parallel to BC. They are parallel and equal. Since we don't know its value, let us take it as x. If BC is x, AD is also x meter. If AD and BC are parallel, then AC acts as a transversal. If two lines are parallel, then we have a transversal here. What do we call these Z-shaped angle as? We call them as alternate angles. And we all know that alternate angles are equal. Hence, DAC will be equal to angle ACB. Hence, the value of angle C here will be 45. We have got the value of angle C with the concept of alternate angles. In order to find the height of the tower, we have to consider two triangles. Which are those two triangles? First one is triangle ADE and next is the triangle AED. In order to find the height of the tower, the two triangles that we are supposed to consider, triangle ABC and triangle AED. If we are clear with these two things, then our calculation becomes very easy. We should always be aware of what we are heading towards. We are heading towards the solution to find the height of the tower. So keeping in mind these angles, first let me consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have angle C as 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to, as we know, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Same way, tan 45. What is the side opposite to this angle? That is AB. This is opposite side. Which is the side opposite to angle C? It is side AB. So it will be tan 45 will be AB divided by, which is the angle adjacent to this 45? It is BC. What is the value of AB from the figure? It is 7 meter. What is the value of BC? We don't know the value of BC. Hence, let us take it as x. What is the value of tan 45? It is 1. On taking extended HS, x is equal to 7 meter. Now we are done with triangle ABC. We will be considering triangle AED. This is the triangle we will be considering now, triangle AED. So, in triangle AED, again we will be considering tan theta. What is theta here? It is 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is the side opposite to 60 degree. It is clear here. It is ED divided by adjacent, which is the side adjacent to 60 degree. It is AD. From the figure, we have proved that it is equal to BC. That is nothing but x. So, in place of AD, we will be writing it as x. What is tan 60? Root 3. What about ED? Do we know the value of ED? We know the complete height of the tower, which we can take it as h. The complete height is h. And a part of it here is 7 meters. So, ED can be written as AD plus DC will be the complete height of the tower. What is DC? From the figure it is 7 meter. Hence, ED will be, ED is equal to h minus 7. So, in place of ED, I will be substituting it as h minus 7. Taking x to LHS, x is equal to x into root 3 is equal to h minus 7. What is the value of x? It is 7 meter. 7 root 3 is equal to h minus 7. Since I need the value of h, take 7 to LHS, that is 7 plus 7 root 3. This is the value of h. What is h? H is the height of the tower. And what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find the height of the tower. Therefore, height of the tower h is equal to 7 plus 7 root 3 meter. So, let me do a small recap for the whole problem. That is, what are the steps of recap? The complete height of the tower will be taken as h. AB is equal to CD. It will be 7. BC will be equal to AD. They are parallel and equal. Unknown value we take it as x. Since they are parallel, angle C and angle A, Z-shaped angles, we call them as alternate angles. It also becomes 45. And then we will be considering two triangles, that is triangle AED. We will be considering triangle AED and triangle ABC. On considering those two, in triangle AED, we have got 60 degree. On taking 60 degree here and triangle ABC taking 45 degree, we get the value of x as 7 meter. On substituting that here for taking tan ratios, we will be getting the value of height of the tower. This is a small recap. Hope this class was useful. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.